All right, welcome to the Explainer. Today we're going to uncover a huge secret, and it's hidden inside one of the simplest words you can possibly think of. It's a secret that could totally change how you think about communication. So let's just dive right in.
So, let me ask you something. How many words do you think you really need to get by? I mean, the average English speaker knows tens of thousands of words, right? But what if I told you that for truly clear, effective communication, that number is way, way smaller? Let's dig in and find out. Okay, so our whole investigation starts with a word literally everyone knows, see, right? The Simple English Wiktionary defines it as a place with a large amount of salt water. Super simple, direct, you can't get it wrong. But here's the thing. That simple definition is just the tip of the iceberg. Think about it. This one little word, see, it's like a Lego brick. We use it to build all these other, bigger ideas. It's a foundation for so much of our language. But hiding in plain sight on that same dictionary page is a clue that leads somewhere, well, a lot bigger. So if you were looking at the source page for this and you scrolled all the way down, you'd find these categories. Okay, nouns, Cs, yeah, that'll make sense. But then, what's this? BE 850. It just kind of sticks out, doesn't it? It almost looks like a code or something. And that's when you spot it. Right there, practically staring you in the face, is the key that just unlocks this entire mystery. It's one little sentence. C is on the basic English 850 list. See, it was right there the whole time, just hiding in plain sight.
And that is the question that changes everything, isn't it? We started with a word we all know, and we've just stumbled our way into some kind of hidden system. So, what is the basic English 850 list? What in the world does that 850 actually mean?
850. That's it. That's the number. That's the answer to how many words you really need.
So you see, this isn't just some random collection of words. It's a whole system, a complete framework for communication. It's called Basic English. And the idea is that you can express almost any idea, no matter how complex, using a tiny, carefully chosen vocabulary of just 850 words.
And the whole point of this? It's all about clarity. It was designed as a tool, for international communication, for teaching English, and for just making really complex ideas easy for anyone to understand. It works by stripping language down to its absolute bare essentials.
So let's just recap how we got here, because it's pretty cool. We started with one simple word, see. We noticed a weird little clue, B 8050, and that clue led us to uncover this massive, fascinating concept, basic English, all from just looking closely at a dictionary page. And this need for simple, clear communication, it's not just some abstract theory. The proof is literally right there on the same page we started with. Remember that big long list of other languages you see on the side of a Wiktionary page?
Well, that one word, see, it connects English to speakers from Japan. It connects us to the Arab world.
All the way to East Africa.
To Russia and, dozens of other places. It just goes to show that everyone, everywhere, needs some kind of shared starting point. A basic foundation so we can all understand each other.
Just stop and think about that for a second. We just uncovered a whole philosophy about global communication, not from some dense, complicated textbook, but from looking at a single, simple dictionary entry. It really proves that sometimes the most powerful ideas are actually the simplest ones. So that kind of leaves us with one final thought, doesn't it? If a core set of just 850 words is powerful enough to explain the entire natural world, from a seagull to the sea itself, just imagine, what other huge, complicated ideas could we finally make clear for everyone if we all just started with the basics?